Hi everyone, welcome to the very first video in our HTML tutorial series. I'm here to guide you through the basics of web development, starting with HTML. Whether you are a complete beginner or just brushing up, this series is for you. Today, we will learn what HTML is, why it's important, and how an HTML document is structured. So, let's get started. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the building block of the web and is used to structure content on web pages. Everything you see on a website, text, images, link, is built using HTML. Let's look at the basic structure of an HTML document. At its very core, every HTML document has a specific layout. Here is an example. This might look a little overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll break it down. The very first line, exclamatory mark, doc type, HTML, tells the browser this is an HTML5 document. The second line and the last tag, which is the HTML tag, this is the root of an HTML document. Then we have the head, which contains the metadata, like the title of the web page. And then we have the body, where all the visible content is placed. Now let's talk about the three key concepts in HTML: tags, attributes, and elements. These terms will come up often, so it's important to understand them. Tags. Tags are the building block of HTML. They tell browser what kind of content to display. Tags are written inside angle brackets, like H1 within the angle brackets for a heading, or P within the angle bracket for a paragraph. Attributes. They provide additional information about a tag. They go inside the opening tags and are written as a key value pairs. For example, a href is equal to https://example.com. And then between the a tags, we have click here. This is gonna tell the user that this is a link. And when you click on it, it will take you to https://example.com. And then we have elements. An element is everything from the opening tag to the closing tag, including the content in between. For example, we have the p tags, opening and closing tag, and then we have this is a paragraph between those two tags. Here, the p tag, the text inside, and the closing p tag together make an element. With this, now you know the basic of HTML, its structure, and key components like tags, attributes, and elements. In the next video, we will dive into some of the most important and commonly used HTML tags. Don't forget to try writing your first HTML document to get some hands-on practice. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.